In this video, I'm going to discuss question number 1 to 20 SPM Modern Maths, paper 1, 2019. The total marks for paper 1 Modern Maths is 40 marks out of 140 marks. It looks like not much, but if you want to score A+ in Modern Maths, you must make sure you can score in Mathematics, paper 1. Question number 1. Express 0.0003162 in a standard form. So for this number, I move 4 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. The decimal point is here. Must remember, you need to round off this number. So the answer is 3.2 times 10 power of negative 4. Question number 2. A cylinder with a radius of 2.1 cm is taken out from a solid cuboid with length of 6.8 cm, width of 5.9 cm, and the height of 4.7 cm. So I try to draw a cuboid. The length is 6.8 cm, width 5.9, and height 4.7. A cylinder with a radius of 2.1 cm is taken out from the solid cuboid. Okay, now we calculate the volume in centimeter cube of the remaining solid. So volume of cuboid minus the volume of cylinder. Volume of cuboid is 6.8 times 5.9 times 4.7 minus the volume of cylinder is pi r squared h. So pi is 22/7 times the radius is 2.1. So put in square times the height 4.7. So the answer is 123.422 centimeter cube. So the answer for question number 2 is C. Question number 3. The surface area of the Earth is approximately 510 million kilometers square. Express the surface area in a standard form. So first, million is 10 power of 6. So 510 times 10 power of 6. Okay, so you need to express in standard form. The number at the front must more than or equals 1, less than 10. So I move 2 steps to the front. 5.1 times 10 power of 2 times 10 power of 6. Okay, so the answer is 5.1 times 10 power of 8. Table 1 shows the capacity in kilogram for 3 containers. It is given that capacity of container R is equal to the sum of capacity of container Q and 1/4 of the capacity of the container P. Calculate the value of S. So first, R equals Q plus 1/4P. So refer to the table. R is S. The value of Q is 31,500 plus the value of P is 1.64 times 10 power of 5. So 1/4 times 1.64 times 10 power of 5. So S equals 7.25 times 10 power of 4. The answer is D. Question number 5. Table 2 shows the equivalent value of numbers in base 2 and base 5. Find the equivalent value of 1010 base 2 in base 5. Basically, we will refer to the table. We just convert the number in base 2 to number in base 10. After that, convert the number in base 10 to number in base 5. Okay, so start from 1010 base 2. Convert to base 10. So it's multiply. How to 1 times 2 power of 3 plus 1 times 2 power of 1. So equals 8 plus 2 equals 10. So we need to convert number in base 10 to number in base 5. So we do the repeated division. Divided by 5. So 5 to 10, remainder is 0. 5, 0, 2. Okay, don't forget the number we write from bottom to top. So the answer is 20 base 5. So the answer is D. Question number 6, given that S base 5 equals 5 power 3 plus 2 times 5 plus 3 times 5 power of 0. For this question, I will do like this. Okay, the highest power is 3, so 5 power of 3, 5 power of 2, 5 power of 1, 5 power of 0. So for the first one, 5 power of 3 is 1 times 5 power of 3. So I put 1 here, 0 here, and 2 times 5 power of 1. So 2 here, and 3 times 5 power of 0. So I put 3 here. So this is the number in base 5. So the answer is C. Question number 7. The diagram 1, PQRST is a regular pentagon. RQV and STU are straight lines. Calculate the value of S and Y. First, we need to find the interior angle of regular pentagon. So the formula is m minus 2 times 180 degree divided by n. So equals 5. 5 minus 2 times 180 degree divided by 5 equals 108 degree. So here S equals 108 degree. Also angle of a pentagon, so is 108 degree. Now we need to find the value of Y. This is a quadrilateral. Of interior angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So to find the value of Y equals 360 degree minus 94 minus 108 and minus 108 degree. Y equals 50 degree. So now we need to find the sum of S and Y. So the value of S is 108 degree plus the value of Y is 50 degree. So equals 158 degree. So the answer is B. Question number 8. In diagram 2, PQRS is a quadrilateral. PTU is an isosceles triangle. RSTU is a rhombus. Calculate the value of m plus n. Okay, so rhombus we have equal side. So this also a isosceles triangle. So to find of m is 180 minus 50 degree divided by 2. So m equals 65 degree. And you know, for rhombus, we have two pair of parallel lines. This line is parallel to this. So we use interior angle to find the angle of TSR. The angle of TSR is 180 minus 50 equals 130 degree. Okay, and we have another pair of parallel line, RS and PU. Okay, so if here 130, here corresponding angle PTU also 130 degree. And the value of TPU, this angle, equals 180 minus 130 divided by 2. So equals 25 degree. And to find the value of n, we use the properties of quadrilateral. So the sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So n equals 360 degree minus 90 degree minus 130 degree and minus 70 plus 25 degree. So n equals 45 degree. The value of m plus n is equals 65 plus 45 degree equals 110. So the answer is B. Question number 9, diagram 3 shows two circles with the centers O and T respectively. PQU is the common tangent to the two circles at P and Q respectively. Find the value of S. To answer this question, you need to draw a line from S to Q. The angle QSR and RQU are angle in the alternate segment. Okay, means this angle is equal 69. So this is alternate segment. So here outside the angle outside here also 69. The triangle SRQ is an isosceles triangle. So this angle also equals 69. And we can so angle SRQ equals 180 degree minus 69 degree minus 69 degree equals 42 degree. STQ is angle at the center. So angle at the center is double of angle at the circumference by the same arc. So here is 84 degree. And TQ is radius of the circle. So PQU is tangent. So can form right angle here. And also right angle here. Because you can find the value of S. Value of S is equals 360 minus 90 degree minus 90 degree minus 84 degree. So S equals 96 degree. So the answer is C. 10. Diagram 4 shows two triangles P and Q drawn in a Cartesian plane. P is the image of Q under a transformation. Find the coordinates of the image of point R under the same transformation. Okay, this transformation is rotation 180 degree. So to find the center of rotation, we find the corresponding vertex and draw a line. Another pair of corresponding vertex, draw another line. So here is the center of the rotation. So now we want to find the coordinate of the image of point R under the same transformation. So you just draw a line, pass through the center of rotation, and the length of the line from center to R same as the length from center to the image of R. So the coordinate of the image of point R is 1, 1. So the answer is A. Diagram 5 shows 5 flagpoles. P, Q, R, S, and T drawn on a square grid. P, Q, S, and T are the image of R under an enlargement. Okay, so now R is object. Of the following is correct. Now the formula of scale factor K is equals length of image over length of object. So for scale factor P, length of image is 1, length of object is 3. So the scale factor is 1 over 3. So this is not the correct answer. For Q, length of image is 2, length of object is 3. So 2 over 3. as the length of image is 4 and length of object is 3. So it's 4 over 3. So the answer is C. Question number 12. Diagram 6 shows two triangles PQR and SYZ. PRS is a straight line. It is given that JQ is the symmetrical axis of triangle PQR and SYZ. Y is the midpoint of line JQ. Find the value of cos angle SRQ plus tangent angle YZQ. Okay, first the value of cos angle SRQ. You learn trois, quatre, so. So for cos is adjacent side over hypotenuse. The angle of SRQ is here. So adjacent side is JR 6 cm and hypotenuse is QR 10 cm. But the angle is outside. When the angle is outside, you must refer to this. Okay, so here is 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and 360 degree. Angle in this quadrant is positive. Quadrant only sign positive. Third quadrant only tangent positive. Positive. Okay, so add sugar to coffee. Okay, angle QRS is fall in second quadrant, which is the size of the angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So to answer cos angle SRQ, you must put negative at the front and adjacent side the length is 6 over the hypotenuse is 10. If we simplify it, it will equals negative 3 over 5. Okay, so now we need to find the value of tangent angle YZQ. Okay, so this angle. Before you find the length of YQ, you must know the length of JQ. So if here 10 cm, here 6 cm, by using Pythagoras, you can obtain the length of JQ is 8 cm. So Y is the midpoint of the line JQ. So YQ equals 4 cm. And SQ equals QZ, 3 cm here. Okay, so tangent angle YZQ equals opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 4 cm over the adjacent 3 cm. Because the angle is less than 90 degree, so fall in first quadrant, so all positive. So now we need to find the value of cos angle SRQ plus tangent angle YZQ. So negative 3 over 5 plus 4 over 3. So equals 0.7333. So the answer is B. Number 13, diagram 7 show a part of the graph y equals sine s. Find the coordinate of P. This is the graph of y equals sine s. The maximum value is 1. So k equals 1. K is equals 0.5. When sine s equals 0.5, the value of s is sine at 0.5. By using calculator, you can get the value of s equals 30 degree. So T is 30 degrees and Y 0.5. So the answer is B. Question number 14. Diagram 8 is a net of a solid. So if we look at this diagram 8, actually this is net of a pyramid. Point G, H, M, J are the midpoint of the lines WQ, QS, SU, and UW respectively. So here are midpoint. Name the angle between the inclined plane and the horizontal plane of the solid. So TMG is the answer. So the answer is C. Question number 15, diagram 9 shows the side view of a staircase at Aslan's house. Given that the angle of elevation of point R from point P is 30 degrees and height of each step is 3 units. Calculate in unit the length of line PQ. We know each step is 3 units. Of RQ equals 12 units. If we draw a line from P to R, we can see a right angle triangle here. And the angle of RPQ equals 30 degrees. So now we can use trigonometry to find the length of PQ. So we have the angle 30 degrees and we have the opposite side 12 units, and we need to find the adjacent side PQ. So I will use tangent 30 equals opposite side 12 over the adjacent side is PQ. PQ equals 12 over tangent 30 degree equals 20.78 degree. So if I round off, it equals 20.8 degree. So the answer is C. Number 16, the height of the Q is 8.8 meter from the horizontal ground. The angle of depression of two cars R and S on the horizontal ground from Q are 64 degree and 35 degree respectively. So this is eye level from Q. Angle of depression R from Q is 64 degree. And S from Q is 35 degrees. The height of the Q is 8.8 meter from the horizontal ground. The distance between R and S, you need to find the distance from Q to S. Trigonometry, tangent 64 equals opposite side 8.8 over the adjacent side is QS. QS equals 4.292 meter. Find the distance from Q to S. Triangle of QS, let's say here is Y. So this is a right angle. 35 degree equals opposite side is YS. YS equals 8.8 meter also. So 8.8 over the adjacent side is QY equals 8.8 over tangent 35 degree. So Cuboid equals 12.568 meter. So now we can find the distance between R and S. 568 minus 4.292 meter. So equals 8.276 meter. So when we round off equals 8.28 meter. The answer is A. In diagram 11 shows the location of 3 telecommunication towers at points S, Y, and Z. S lies due north of Y. Okay, so here I draw a north direction from S because S due north of Y. Find the bearing of S from Z. Okay, so Z is here, so I also draw another north direction parallel to this north direction. Okay, bearing of S from Z. So from Z, I draw clockwise to the lines SZ. Okay, so we need to find this angle. This is the bearing S from Z. Before we find the bearing S from Z, we need to find the angle of Y. Angle of Y quite simple, just 360 minus 280 equals 80 degrees. And automatically 80 plus 35 degree equals 115 degree. And this interior angle. So to find this angle, 180 minus 150 equals 65 degree. So now we need to find the bearing S from Z. So this angle. So 360 degree minus 65 degrees equals 5 degrees. So the answer is D. Question number 18. Diagram 12 shows point P lies on the surface of the Earth. Given the point Q is 60 degrees to the south of point P. State the location of point Q. Okay, so first we need to find the location of point P. So location of point P, 40 degrees above the equator. So 40 degrees north. And this is Greenwich meridian. So point P at the right hand side of the Greenwich meridian. So at the east. So from here we can see this is 40 degrees east. Okay, 60 degrees to the south of point P. So means point Q is at the bottom of P. So how to find the location to P is 40 degrees. So go down another 20 degrees. So Q is here. This is of Q is 20 degrees south and 40 degrees east. Is C. Question number 19. So we need to solve the algebraic expression. So first, this one we expand. And for this one, because got power of 2, so we do like this. 4s squared minus 4 minus 2s plus 1 times 2s plus 1. So expand these two brackets. So 4s squared minus 4 minus 2s squared times 2s is square. 2s times 1 is 2s. And here also 1 times 2s is 2s. 1 times 1 equals 1. So open the bracket. Minus 4s squared minus 2s minus 2s minus 1 equals, so 4s squared minus 4s squared, eliminate already. So we have negative 4s minus 5. So the answer is D. Question number 20. Express this as single fraction in its simplest form. So py over n squared minus q squared multiply. So when you change operation from divide to multiply, make sure the fraction turn also upside down. So q plus n over negative 5p. Okay, so now we try to factorize p bracket mm plus y over, this one we can change to m minus q n plus q multiply q plus n over negative 5p. Okay, so now p we can cut, and here q plus n plus q we can cancel. So the answer is mn plus y over negative 5 n minus q. See the answer, right? So what you need to do is you put the negative here into the bracket, means here become negative n and here is plus q, right? So the answer is mn plus y over 5 q minus n. So the answer is A. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.